Deep in the sweltering wetlands, life can be relentless. For this capybara, the lush environment has brought a severe affliction. A massive infestation of ticks covers its coat, a heavy burden that saps its energy and causes constant irritation. Desperate for relief, the giant rodent pauses to scratch, its hind leg working against the overwhelming swarm as it navigates the murky, algae-covered shallows of the swamp. Watching from a nearby fallen cypress log are two crested caracaras. These intelligent and opportunistic birds of prey have keen eyesight, always scanning the marsh for an easy meal. Unable to endure the torment, the capybara resorts to a different strategy. It drops into the shallow water, rolling vigorously in the thick mud. It is a frantic attempt to smother the parasites and soothe its inflamed skin, but the swarm is simply too dense. The commotion does not go unnoticed. The caracaras step carefully along their wooden vantage point, their interest piqued by the struggling mammal below. Still plagued by the relentless biters, the capybara hauls itself out of the water and approaches a towering tree trunk. It rubs its heavy body against the rough bark, using the wood as a scratching post in a futile battle against thousands of tiny invaders. Opportunity calls. With a sweep of its wings, one of the caracaras descends to the water's edge. It approaches the capybara with calculated caution, assessing the living buffet before it. The bird steps boldly onto the capybara's back, and soon its partner joins. A remarkable alliance unfolds. The caracaras begin to meticulously pluck the ticks from the mammal's fur. Recognizing the arrival of its saviors, the capybara lowers its head and lies perfectly still in the water, surrendering completely to the sharp but necessary grooming. This is nature's perfect trade. For the birds, it is an effortless feast, a rich source of protein delivered without a chase. For the capybara, it is salvation. It waits patiently in the cool shallows, allowing the powerful beaks to work through its coarse hair. With surgical precision, the caracaras target the engorged parasites. They move across the capybara's broad back, leaving no area unchecked. The relief is palpable as the rodent leans into the process, its eyes heavy with comfort. The symbiotic relationship transforms the tense, suffering animal into a picture of tranquility. It is a moment of profound trust. A prey species allowing sharp talent hunters to dance across its vulnerable skin. As the feast continues, the birds are thorough and systematic. The swamp is quiet save for the rustle of feathers and the gentle lap of water. The capybara remains anchored in the duckweed, a willing host to its avian cleaners. The capybara stands confidently in the water bearing the weight of its feathered attendants. The thick armor of parasites is slowly being dismantled piece by piece, restoring the rodent's vitality. Their hunger finally satisfied, the birds begin to disperse. The job is done. The capybara, visibly relieved and unburdened, wades out of the stagnant pool. It moves with renewed energy, hauling its heavy frame over a submerged log and stepping firmly onto the muddy bank. Resting on the forest floor, the capybara takes a moment of quiet reprieve. The caracaras remain close by on the damp
Keep your
earth.
head up, little friend.
One steps forward,
Just a few
coming
more.
face to face with the giant rodent.
I feel so
It
much
gently
better.
inspects the
You're a
capybara's
clean
snout,
slate now.
a final, almost intimate check. Here in the shadows of the ancient trees, bird and beast share a fleeting, peaceful understanding, bound together by the harsh realities of the swamp and the beautiful, unexpected alliances that make survival possible. As the morning sun rises over the peaceful wetlands, the capybara quietly disappears into the dense marsh, while the two crested caracaras continue their search across the endless swamp. In nature, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about trust, cooperation, and the unexpected partnerships that help life endure against all odds. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible wildlife story and want to explore more amazing moments from the natural world, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Every week, we bring you breathtaking wildlife documentaries, rare animal behaviors, and fascinating survival stories from across the planet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next wildlife adventure.
The capybara moves with purposeful calm through the sun-dappled swamp, while caracaras circle overhead, and the sounds of the wetlands surround it.